What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. This video is sponsored to you guys by soundsbeauty.com. Thank you so much, Sounds Beauty, for sending me this hair to review. All the information will be linked down in the description box below. Kajing. This is by Authentic. It is called Ripple Deep, and it is in the color 1B. Now, this hair is so gorgeous. It is 22 inches, by the way. This hair is so gorgeous and soft. All this volume it has. Look at this curly hair. It reminds me of Twist. It reminds me of Twist Deep by Free Dress. I have about 8 braids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 braids, and you could be able. I could part it down on the side, middle, other side. I made it very versatile. All the braids are straight back, so I got 8 straight back braids. I have my bonnet and my scarf on, so I take it off, and then I have my hair in 2 big twists. So I just twist the hair up, and I put my scarf, and then I put the bonnet. That's how I go to sleep. And taking it down is very easy. You just untwist it, then you just fluff it out. And of course you gotta cut the ends because it just acts as hair that you didn't put inside while crocheting it, if you know what I mean. If you crochet hair before, you know there's always access hair that is not in a knot. So that's basically what it is. This hair does not mat up at all. Like at all. I tell you, my headscarf came off so many times. My hair was rubbing on my clothes so many times. Like, it's not matted. Like, it's not matted at all. This hair is perfect, gorgeous. To go in the water, I don't know. I don't recommend going in the water with crochet hair at all. Some people always ask me that, can you go in the water with crochet hair? I don't think so, because it's not human hair. So this is synthetic blend hair, and I don't recommend going in the water with that. If you want to, you go ahead and you just remove the hair after, or you go in the water with it or a cap. I don't know. I never went in the water with crochet hair. I love crochet. Who don't love crochet? If you love crochet, give this video a thumbs up. So, thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to check out soundsbeauty.com. All the information is down below in the description box below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at _IMariah. I post tons of pictures on there, and just follow me on there. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, my loves.